it has a rounding color in a shape. It's oval in shape. Huh? So this is it. But we have cut it. We have used a knife to cut it. There's another smaller one they normally use. That one too is the small size of this one. It's also angara. But that one is not here. We'll make do with this one. Now we have our fish here. People normally use dry fried fish. We don't have that now, so we use this one to augment, improvise. So this is called smoked fish, another type of smoked fish, not the catfish we have always known. This is another kind of fish. This is kwanla, croaker. It's not croaker. This is kwanla. Okay, I don't know the name in English now. Eh? Fish. They are all the smoked fish. That angara, this is the leaf. This is the akwukwo ofe. What did I call it? It's the angara leaf. That's it. Akwukwo ofe. Huh? You cut it after when you get it, you wash it and you cut it. These have been washed and cut. Here, this is isha and pepper. We blended together. What is isha? Crayfish. Good. So isha, we blended it with the pepper. Huh? Akpọrọ with akpọkọtara ya na ose. It's with ose. Ose is what? Good. The pepper. We it used to go together. Yes. When you want to make this kind of abacha. Okay? It's a shine side. We blended it with pepper. That's it. That's that thing you people were saying that day. Who can tell me the name? I say it's smelling. I all ate dough for her yesterday. Ogiri, give her a round of applause. Wow, I said clap for her. Not a This is the main. I'm coming. I'll show you. Okay, here comes our delicious, wonderful abacha. Ngwa. It's cassava. Going to George Bank. Going to George Bank. Yeah? Neto. Litoto. I sing it litoto. That question is out of place. Cassava. What's the color of cassava? Cassava. What's the color? Outside of it. The inside they come. Thank you. You have answered yourself. So no, I thought it was Neto. Sorry about that. Chibike. Fast. Maybe you should come closer or you wear glasses. So this is from cassava. We all know what cassava is. Have you seen cassava, the main cassava, not the fufu? The root, the roots. It looks like yam. You uproot it, then we use it for fufu, we use it for this, we make garri from it. Huh? So what we do is there's a kind of grater. Listen how this thing is made. Unu na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu? Aunty na-ese ya na board. That's how it looks like. So you see this thing now. You see the cassava now. You uproot it from the ground. Then this one will now remove the back. The back is brown. So we remove it. Then we use a special grater. As a special grater, you start grating it. This grater will grate it. It will now be long. Then you now sun it, dry it in the sun. That's how we get this. Have you seen it? So that's cassava actually. But so the preparation is this. The first thing we do, you put your oil in your pot. Because listen, geenụ ntị o. Biko maazị, ha wetakwere m mmanụ. So ogiri bekee nọkwa here. That's no. Now this is our pot. We add our oil inside our pot. What happened to Jesus? What did he do? Can you say Jesus make that? Jesus will make it. Go ahead, Jesus. Dave. So this one here is not big, also we'll have to add more because the abacha. You don't cook it. We've used hot water to soften it so that you can eat it. You know it was dried. So because the dryness, we use hot water to soak it and remove it so that it will be soft for you to eat. Now this is the ngo. I need something to see this thing. I was going to make I can't see it well. The sand, this thing has a lot of sand. This ngo. There's something we can also use, but science has discovered that it's not good for our health. It's called potash. No potash. We can use it for this food. That's what our forefathers were, our parents, great grandparents were using. But according to science, they did not like then. No, they said it's not good for our health. So that's why we are now using this. Now, that's sand, yes. I want you to come and see the reaction of this when I'm doing it. Come and see the oil first. Come. Just look at the oil. Go and look at the oil first. Then they will come back. Well, don't push it down. Have you seen the oil? Have you seen the oil? Huh? Have you seen the oil? Who has not seen it? So that all right. Now, listen. After I put this thing now, you will come and look at the oil again. We'll say I'm adding this. What did I call this? Okay, here for right here. Ngu. I didn't say ngu. Ngo. Mm. It's, it's all u and u. Oh yeah, come and check. No, line by line. Are you seeing it? Is it the same way? What's the oil now? The sticker. Have you seen it? Is it the same way? You saw it that time. Huh? You saw the oil. Are you seeing it? Sophia, have you seen it? Who else? Whoa. You see? I'm not going to worry here. Ngwa, onye ọzọ. Have you seen the oil? That's changed. Have you? Oh, yeah, come and see. Have you seen the difference? You seen the difference? Good. Oh, yeah, ka onye ọzọ. Agwụgo. Ke ihe na-eme Ifeọma taa? Ifeọma iri adịrọ mma. Oh, yeah, see it. Oh, yeah, see the oil. Yes, that's changed. Hmm? Come the we wait since yeah. Hey, chill. Have you seen the oil? It's no longer like that. It's changed. Oh yeah, can you also the last line. The last line. Have you seen it? Now, the next thing we were going to add, the next thing we are going to add is our isha and pepper. What did I say? And those say. Can you hear it here now? What did I call it? No say. You add it to the oil and you stir very well. Keep stirring. Unu na-edekwa? Somebody put in her book. Ose and the sha that have been blended. Hmm? So the next one is we are going to put our what? We are adding our ogiri now. Ose and isha. Then our fish can go in now. Our fish is going in. Ogiri. Hey, what's not the no, antibiotic ị na-etinyere m kwaka. Ị ga-ebe na-etinyere m ya obere obere. Now we add our ogiri bekee. Hmm? We don't put too much. Oh. So I will green beke for it. I put these cubes. Taa bụ nke mmeji mix ya. Then ka abịa tinyezie awa abacha. So now we are adding our abacha. Turn it very well. Okay. Aka ka m na-ejikwa ọ maka ha si na a na-esi aka ha ghara isi na a na-eji aka emere ụmụ ha ọkwa aka ka m na-edozi aka ka eji emiksi elu akpọgokwa ma nna so the we have to add na-ewetara m nri ị were aka na oche mana oche a na-agbụkwukwu agba na-agba okirikiri amarakwa na eto amebisi eme yes aka ị nwere ike your fingers can now self biko ha nyetụ m ose akọrọ yes I added a little so no about right day to ya ka ị detuo ya ngwa detuo ya o are you going to come to check look at it line by line come and be looking at it oh Zaza have you seen it Ihugia take God are you seeing it Ihugia Ngwa are you seeing it that's the avatar It smells so nice. That's good. That no done. David Joya. I seen it. We don't cook it. If you cook it, it will melt. You eat it like this. I seen it. Abacha. You seen it? Hey, abacha. Have you eaten it before? You've eaten it before. Wow, twice. She does not like it. Hmm? Tetakwele. That's our abacha. Genius people. Have you seen? And what else? Agugo. Hmm. So we need to. No, we are must speak of ya. Hotel Mungaji can be tested. Go je kuni. Keje rini. Keje rini. Ogini this one. Ati vanye Mungaji can test ya. Kamera man no different. Ogini this unu. How about tell you more so sadly? Oh, we had it here. Ehuru. Where's my ehuru? I thought as much. Because say mommy now say I name ehuru. Not inside this thing. I persist. Mommy, you're not in the kitchen now. Come on, maybe that thing. Because this girl, none of them. Who was it? Ask me, I name ehuru. Ehuru, I know. Trust you and maybe a web. Nwa bịara n'aka Chinwendu will be straight like this. No rubbish. Ọ dịghị emekwa nwa. We give you attention if you behave well. If you do rubbish, no nyanya nyanya for her place. She'll give you to you, hot, she'll give it to you. All this nonsense. This is called ehuru. Look at it. Ehuru. Ehuru. Apogia. It has been blended. It's what's the name in English? We have to have in English. Nutmeg. African nutmeg. Yes, African nutmeg. I remember. That's it. Yeah, perceive it. African nutmeg. Yeah. So it's called ehu. Huh? We use it for it to flavor the abacha. Okay? Did you hear me? What did I say? What did I call this thing now? Kenyan pori here. Kenyan pori here. Ehuru. What did I say? Ehuru. African nutmeg. Hmm? Look at it. Can you perceive it? Can you perceive it? Oh, it's smelling nice. Yes, it's a seasoning. The kuishie. Kamnushie. Zara, in my hand. Oh yeah, lend the seed. The kwampuria. Kwampuria. The seed. This one has been grinded. Huh? So we have to put it to add it to go and flavor the. We use it to flavor the whatever the abacha. Ọkpọtago noodles. Aya wunye ihe ndị a ka aja jos garlic ere. Enyi ka mma. Mama ha nyere ya ala nke. Ọ ya ka nne. No na-ekwu ụja aṅara. Ka wunye. Aṅara, mana onions are the fresh. Are you sure they will like it? Ka etinyegodu nke a. This one dị ụtọ. Onye? Ọkwa dị oke mkpa. Klas ka ọwa ụlọ. Everywhere is better. Mechagokwa. So you need ice cream poured on that floor. On a false wasn't I'm selling 20,000. Okay. So Abuja, serve those are. Ebe ebusi. Kedu this one? Anyị agwachagokwa abacha anyị nne. Mama ha ekwe ya ata ya. Etiri m aṅara dị ọ na-elu ilu. Ha chọọ esiri ha ahụ. Ndị atọ ga-ata ihe a. If not, ụmụazị a nwere ike hapụrụ nna enye ya na ya chịa. Maka ha si elu. I don't want to put it. Tinye obere. Maka m fetọchi obere. Unu ga-atakwa ya ahụ. Achọkwa mmadụ esi na ọ na-elu m elu. much. Ọ na-erukwa. Ụmụazị a na-alaiki vegetable. Chineke mee. No, rice, rice stew. Rice and
So to this afternoon now, my eyes, and I'm not finish your abacha. You will enjoy your there's a special snack. Thank you. Wait, no, I should tell you my secret.
abịa buru ya.
Finish your abacha, come and show me. If you want, I love you.
So we are done with our African salad according to you. She's my because Anna she know what.